How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to get the teenage filter on TikTok. Now this is just super quick and simple, so make sure to follow the steps as I show you. Now first things first, let's head on to TikTok. Now once you're on TikTok, go to this plus icon right here at the bottom. Just click on that. And go to effects right here. Now once you click on that, go to the search icon right here. And it says discover effects. Now under the search bar, just click on that and type on teenage filter. And as you can see, when you type the teenage filter, just click on the first result right here that has a lot of videos, and just click on that right here. And as you can see, my face looks like 20 years younger or 10 years younger, but it doesn't work really well because I have a beard or something. And just click on record. And if you've done that, just click on next. And you can post it, or you can share it to Messenger, to Facebook, or to Instagram. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!